Alright guys, welcome back. T2s Barbecue YouTube channel. Mouthful today. Still in quarantine, so spend a little more quality time with you guys. Thanks for tuning in, checking out the video. Today we're doing Fiesta French onion dip. Quick and simple recipe, so let's just get her going here. We're gonna start with sour cream, and this is two 16-ounce containers of sour cream. Alrighty, and then we're gonna add our Lipton onion soup mix. There. So, and we're just gonna go ahead and start working our soup mix in. And this is one of those recipes that you're gonna want to let it sit and marry for a bit. All right. Yeah, we got a rough mix going there. So now we're gonna add Rotel, and you do want to drain your Rotel, guys, and if you don't get all the moisture out of it, don't sweat it. Alright, got a cup and a half of whole kernel corn. This is just this was frozen corn that I warmed in the microwave just a little bit. Just enough to thaw it. And now our last little bit, we're gonna go in with 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. And this will tighten it up some. So the little bit of moisture you get from your tomatoes, your cheese will suck it up. Alright guys, this is smelling really good. So from here, you just want to cover it, refrigerate it for at least an hour, and then get whatever your favorite dip chip is and go to town. So thanks for tuning in. Quick, simple recipe. Hope you guys enjoy it. Until next time, you guys take care.